So my name is Joel Spencer. I am a public education teacher, and I also host my own electric vehicle podcast. So originally we weren't planning on going solar until we bought our first electric vehicle, and we were looking at ways to help offset the cost of our charging for those vehicles. So at that time we were doing some research and we heard of a company called Seal Solar. So we were really impressed when Seal came out with their kind of like their no hassle kind of way of talking to us. There was no pressure from them. They looked at our house and they looked at what we could do with solar, and that's why we ultimately chose Seal Solar, because we felt like, you know, they were a local company. If we had any issue, we knew we could call them up. So yeah, so we do recommend Seal Solar. We've actually had a couple friends who were interested in solar, and we told them about Seal, and they've actually used them for their solar purchases at their house. Like I said, great customer service, no hassles. They've been great to work with. They're a local company. Give them a call up. They'll be out to your house in the next day or two, fix any problems that you have.